Welcome back to my channel. This is Josephine and I make homemade vegan recipes on a regular basis. Today I'm making one of my favourite dishes pre-vegan, which is pork and green beans fried with garlic and chilli and all sorts of goodness. It's a really popular side dish, so I can't wait to share this recipe with you. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and without further ado, let's get started. For ingredients, for the pork, I'm actually going to be using the inside of some meat-free pork sausages, so there's a little cheat for you. You could always use tofu or any other sort of protein ground beef or pork that you can buy in the supermarket, but I think this will be a cool substitute. Of course, you're going to need some green beans. I've got some coconut sugar, or any sugar can work, pepper, salt, garlic, and I have some dried Thai chilies, as well as sesame oil, soy sauce, and rice wine vinegar, which is a really nice addition to this dish. And yeah, super simple ingredients. I'm going to start the dish by marinating the pork. So as you can see, you can kind of break up these sausages really easily into a bowl. So I'm just going to break these in to here to make a little mushy pork mince. And to that we're going to add some sugar. We're going to add some pepper. We're going to add a splash of soy sauce and a good splash of wine vinegar, and we're going to just make sure that that's all combined into the mince. After a good mixy mix, this is what it should look like. Next, we're going to chop up our green beans, so I just like to take the ends off. And I just like to chop them up, like so. Then we want to do the garlic. I'm going to chop one chili. The other two we'll leave whole. I'm going to take some vegetable oil on a wok and just spread that around. And we're starting the dish by frying off our beans. So, our beans in, and we're flattening them on the wok. Like so, and what we're wanting is we're wanting to get char on both sides of those beans. So, let it cook a little. Once the beans are charred on both sides, you can put them aside and make room to cook the pork. Heat the oil up for your pork on a high heat. Then you want to drop your pork in, and using your spoon break it up, and you really want to fry this until it's caramelized and a little bit charred, because that's where the flavor is. As you can see, I'm really breaking up that pork into that minced texture with the back of my spoon, and any bits that stick to the bottom of the pan I'm scraping up and collecting those, because that's really where that crispiness and flavour comes from. Once you've got some browning, drop in your garlic and your chili and cook those off for 1 to 2 minutes, and then we'll be adding our soy sauce, our sesame oil, black pepper, along with the beans back in and a teaspoon of sugar. making sure to mix everything in well. You're going to be moving pretty quick at this stage. I know I forgot to film the sugar and the beans back in, but in the end you should have a delicious dish that looks just like this, and once everything's incorporated, you're ready to serve. This dish is best served over rice, so as you can see I'm plating it up here, and then you can just dive right in and enjoy. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye bye!